Hi! Today I'd like to show you how to play Tulsa Time. I'm doing the Don Williams version. Eric Clapton also did it. His version's exactly the same really, but a little bit fancier at piano and everything, so if you're looking it up, you might want to look up Don Williams. I'm doing to open G, G, D, G. The song is actually in E, but this is a beginner video, so I'm staying in the G tuning. If you'd like to play along with the record, just tune down to E, B, E. This is a great song for a beginner because it's just two chords and you can do it one finger. The chords are open, G, and that's the basic rhythm. I'm using my thumb and two fingers. And then you go up to the 7th fret for a D chord. That's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's all you need. Now if you're ready to play some notes, you can get into the intro by going 5, 4, 3, and then 2, 1, 0 on the middle string. So that's 2 5s, and then 2 2s, 1, open, and then open low, and that's 0 3 0. I'll play that again for you. Then you're into the rhythm. And of course, first time you get into the song, you tend to play the rhythm a little longer until you start singing. Now the melody for the verse is like this. And then it repeats that. That's just up on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then 4 on the frets. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the number of times you hit it on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, da, 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 da. And then to 5. And that was 4 and 2 and 0. And I'm using my thumb over here to mute these two strings to make sure I don't make any extra noise or any sloppiness. And I'm tilting my slide, not a lot, but just enough so I'm not getting a little extra slide sound there. Just makes it sound nice and clean so you can hear everything. Now, that was the verse melody, plays it twice, and then here's the chorus melody. And then it's sort of the same. Or something like that. That's pretty close. So the difference with the chorus melody is you're thinking the words living on Tulsa time. So instead of hitting it 4 times like you do in the verse, you hit it 3 times. That's living on, living on. And then Tulsa time. Yeah, like that. And then it's just the second half of the verse again. And everything can be done with one finger if you're not a slide player. Have a great day.